Hello, I'm Professor Raju Thenge from Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, Malkapur. Today, I'm going to talk on topic dissolution and diffusion control drug delivery system. First one is the dissolution control release drug delivery system. In this system, the drug release is controlled by the dissolution. The various drug that is formulated in the dissolution control release drug delivery systems are the drugs with inherently slow dissolution rate. So these are the drug which is having already the slow dissolution rate. So example is a griseofulvins, and those drug which produces slow dissolving form when it comes in contact with the GI fluid. Few examples are ferrous sulfate. Also, the drug with a high aqueous solubility and the dissolution rate that is formulated in the dissolution control release drug delivery system. Example is a pentoxifylline. So these dissolution control drug delivery systems are fabricated by two types. One is called as a matrix system. It is also called as a monolith, and another one is the reservoir system. It is also called as a membrane or the encapsulated system. So these are the two types of dissolution control release drug delivery system. First one is the reservoir system and second one is the monolith. First we'll discuss reservoir. So in this reservoir system, this is also called as a membrane system, or it is also called as a encapsulated system. So here in this system, the drug, it may be encapsulated with the polymeric membrane. This is outer part, it is the polymeric membrane. So drug is encapsulated by means of various type of polymers. These polymers are the wax, hydrophilic polymers, hydrophobic polymers, and the drug released from the system is by dissolving this polymeric membrane by entry of the fluid, dissolution fluid into the polymers, and this polymer is get dissolved and the drug may be released in a slow manner for the prolonged period of time. And either the drug may diffused into the system and dissolve the drug and it slowly released from the system. Second type, it is a monolithic system, or it is called as a matrix system. So in this system, this is the drug. The drug is homogeneously dispersed into the polymeric matrix. This other part, it is a polymeric matrix. Okay, drug is dispersed, and the release of the drug from this drug delivery system is by dissolving this polymeric matrix in a slow manner, and the drug may be released by the dissolution for the prolonged period of time. Also, in this system, the polymeric system may also get itself dissolved and drug may be released. Thus, by the mechanism of dissolution, the drug may be released from such type of a system in a slow manner for the prolonged period of time. Another system is the diffusion control release drug delivery system. So in this type of system, the rate controlling step, it is not the dissolution but it is a diffusion of the dissolved drug through the polymeric membrane. The drug release rate, it is never zero order because the diffusional path length increases with the time as the insoluble matrix is gradually depleted of the drug. This system is also of two types. One is a matrix system, that is called as a monolith, and another one is the reservoir system. It is a encapsulated, or it is also called as a membrane drug delivery system. So this is the diffusion system. It is divided into the two types. It is a drug reservoir system where the drug, it is get encapsulated by the use of polymers. So polymer, it may be hydrophobic polymers may be used, when such systems are comes in contact with the water, this water or the fluid, it may enters through the system, and the drug which are present here inside the system, it is get dissolved and it diffuses slowly through the this polymeric membrane in a slow manner for the prolonged period of time. And another one is the matrix drug delivery system, where the drug is homogeneously dispersed into the polymerics. The various type of polymers may be used, hydrophilic polymers as well as the hydrophobic polymers. The water may get entered into the system, then the drug get dissolved and it diffuses through the polymeric system in a slow manner for the prolonged period of time. So this diagram, it shows the release of the drug from the system. So this monolith, it is again of one type that is called as a hydrogel type of system. It is a swelling system. So these systems are, when comes in contact with the water, it is get swelled due to the presence of a swellable type of polymer that is called as a hydrogel, and due to the swelling, it increases the porosity, and due to the increase in the porosity, there is a formation of small pores, and through these small pores, the drug may be released through these small pores by the mechanism of diffusion in a slow manner for the prolonged period of time. So this is the type of system called as a diffusion controlled drug delivery system. So the drug release is controlled by the mechanism of diffusion. This is another type of system of dissolution and diffusion control. So it is a combination of a dissolution and the diffusion control release drug delivery system. In this system, the drug device is fabricated by the use of both polymer, that is water soluble polymer and the water insoluble polymer. So drug is dispersed and it is again coated with the layer of combination of the polymer, water soluble and the water insoluble type of polymer. When these systems are comes in contact with the water, what happened? See here, this layer, outer layer, it is get somewhat dotted type. So this indicates the formation of the pores by the dissolving hydrophilic polymers, and this formation of the pores, it may causes the entry of fluid inside the drug delivery device, and the drug may get dissolved, and the drug dissolved inside the system, it may be diffused through the small pores which may be formed to the membrane, and thus it gives the slow released in a controlled manner for the prolonged period of time. Thus this is the combination of dissolution and diffusion type of drug delivery system. If you like this video, please share, like or subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.